It has been a super warm winter, and with that warm weather come those creepy crawly fleas lurking about on our little babies. We're here with Sally at Pet Pizzazz, and she says no matter what the weather, you should keep your pets groomed year-round. Sally, why is that?
Well, because we live here in the South, it stays warm pretty much year-round. I mean, even when we get a cold snap, it's not cold long enough to get rid of fleas and ticks and all. In fact, in this kind of weather where we have this really warm time, they will really proliferate. So we've seen dogs come in just today where we've had to go right to the tubs and soak them for fleas. So I just always recommend that year-round you take care of your dog.
Absolutely.
Don't wait until, you know, April or May and then have to start then, because the dog really suffers through the winter months.
They're going to be in pain, and they could have skin problems by that time
They
that
do.
you're not noticing because they have mats or have so much fur
Right.
to cover that up, right?
That's right. The fleas will bite them, then it's a vicious cycle. The dog turns and tries to, you know, scratch and dig and chew where he's been
Exactly.
bitten. And then you end up with the coat all matted, and you know it's just a real mess. And so the dogs are very uncomfortable.
Little Zoe's ready for her treatment, isn't she?
Yeah,
she's our
Zoe.
little superstar today.
Zoe comes in every month. Owner just takes really great care of this little girl.
She's
in
so
here.
sweet.
She's in here for baths in between, and then she comes in for grooming every month.
She's just pampered here at Pet Pizzazz.
She is well
Another
taken care
thing
of.
I love about Pet Pizzazz, you are really extending your knowledge to other people. You have a class here now. Talk to me a little bit about that.
Right, I'm all about educating people on how to take care of their pets. You know, when I started 30 years ago, people just really didn't know, and they would groom a dog maybe once a year, and they just didn't know. But now people are taking a lot more interest, and a lot of people like to groom their own dogs. They want to have hands-on, and it's just a nice bonding time.
Oh, absolutely.
So I offer a 4-week class, and they can come in. It's one night a week for 4 weeks, and I take about 5 students at a time. And we work on our tables. You bring your dog, and you learn everything from nail trimming and ear cleaning to bathing and fluff drying and trimming feet, and we cover a lot in that 4 weeks.
It's a small, intimate class.
Right.
So you're really going to be hands-on
You learn a lot.
making sure that you're doing things the right way.
That's right.
Right? Wonderful. Well, thank you so much, Sally, for having
you.
us here today. And you guys at home, make sure you're taking care of those little babies. I know they're your pets. Mine's a member of the family. So make sure you're taking care of them and bring them to Pet Pizzazz.